We've been having the best time sailing up the Bahamas, starting from the outer islands. Anchorages and beaches to ourselves, we met friendly people and woke to picture-perfect views every day. After a lazy 6 weeks in the outer islands, we were in need of provisions and reluctantly left for Georgetown in the Exuma chain. We were told that we might be a little disappointed in the Exumas due to the heavier pressure of tourism. Perhaps we missed the larger crowds due to our late arrival, because we had many days of isolation. Even at popular spots, we were often the only boat anchored. We had a great time and look forward to going back. It was a 7-hour journey to Georgetown, the main hub of the Exumas. We motored the whole way as there was little wind to help us along.
Oh, that's a big dolphin.
We were greeted by a dolphin and her calf, waiting for a free feed.
little kid.
It was here that I had a welcome break from our usual hand washing. I also did some provisioning of fresh fruit and vegetables that we were in desperate need of and filled up every bucket and bottle we had with the free water.
I don't know if it's common around here to get these.
After a few days of being in Georgetown, I saw a water spout for the first time. These things look a little scary, but they aren't usually dangerous. Detail up close.
I'm trying to. Wow. I think it's dying. See how high the like it's no. Yeah, it's got real thin now.
That's it, twisting?
It's like a branch.
It's spinning
How
around.
cool is
I'm
that?
spinning around, get out of my way.
Move out of my way. Oh, it's dying. It's bending. It's like they're biting you.
I want to catch him, Dad.
The boys hooked up this barracuda, which attracted this hungry tiger shark. It hung around our boat for about 15 minutes, which pretty much ended their fishing session. During our time in the Bahamas, we have seen plenty of sharks.
Oh, whoa, that's a big shark. That's big.
Bring him up.
about to scrub the holes.
Oh, someone's gonna scrub it.
Not now, not in this.
Not now when he's like that. He's looking for food.
Isaac decided to go in to film the sharks. Good on ya, honey.
How's this for an afternoon? We've been catching these little sand crabs just off the boat here. So Yo's going to try and get some more and we're going to enjoy yesterday's bounty.
It's so nice.
That's how we've been greeted in Georgetown. Crabs.
There's quite a few around.
Little sharks here.
That's what the boys caught this morning. 3 squid. So that'll be lunch. Go?
Yeah. Actually, it'll be dinner.
Dinner.
Because I already had lunch. Every time we sail, we always throw a line out. Although we haven't caught many quality fish this way. Good work.
I'll get the lure out this way.
Oh, Benito.
I
Okay.
need the lure out this way.
Still food, isn't it? Bonitos aren't the best tasting, but still food. To navigate in the Exumas, you will have to go in and out of the cuts. The water can run very hard and some of the cuts are very narrow. You have to make sure there's enough water under your keel or you can come unstuck pretty quickly. We came through this cut to find a shallow and calm beach to clean the hulls, and what a stunner it was. We're literally about 5 centimetres off the sand. We're all going to scrub the hulls. They're well overdue. And this is gorgeous. Hetty's land.
Is it soft sand?
Spectacular. This is what we come to the Bahamas for. Calm summer days like this. It's glorious. And there's a little beach over there that I can do some stretches and go for a run. And to swim after scrubbing the hulls, a perfect way to end the day. Margie, where are we off to?
Going to go feed the pigs over there on that beach area.
Oh, let's have a look. Here they come. They're used to people. How close is that? Oh, hello. Hello.
Look at it.
I've got some lettuce there for you. Oh, hello, little pink piggy.
They're all sows, yeah. Maybe that one's a male. That big one over there.
And the curly little cow is so cute. So, Michael, what do you think of this place?
Look at now. I think some broke.
They weren't as cute as I was expecting. I thought there'd be some little pigs. And they're filthy.
Well, that's true. There's poo everywhere, isn't there?
They're cute though.
I love the little
It's a novelty.
little baby one. There's only one small one.
Look at them. They're dapping from the sea.
Oh!
Just pat him. They're
Go
like,
up, honey, go on.
just pat them.
Look at their meat.
They like being patted. Stroke. Stroke it.
We're off to check the iguanas out
A
now.
couple ran. Have a bit of a look.
Michael's got some food, some scraps, eggshells, vegetable peels. Oh, there's another one. Here they come. Oh, there they go.
Closer, yeah.
Yeah, I'm coming. Oh, there they are, Michael, all up the top there on the left-hand side.
Stupid, like,
Cute.
it's the weirdest thing.
They're so cute. Imagine them as a pet.
They're so cute and they're so friendly.
I don't know if
I
they're
don't
friendly.
fear them. I don't fear them attacking me.
I don't know if they've got that bacteria in their teeth.
But that's one concern, just in case, they, went a little bit silly. The iguanas at Leaf Key weren't aggressive. However, I was still being cautious, just in case one nipped me on the back of the ankle. We are about to go and visit the piano and the mermaid. It's a sculpture commissioned by David Copperfield, and it's located in about 4 metres of water. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to this. Something I've been wanting to do for a while. And we're here now, so it's not far from the boat. I hope we can locate it. It's a bit windy. It's hard to see through the water, so shouldn't be too far away.
More rich folk coming to land. Hey?
David Copperfield's resort.
Bahamas.
He rented out for $300,000 a week. So Isaac made a comment before, honey, what do you think of this place?
Pretty rich. The guys, well, it looks pretty good.
With the planes landing and taking off right next to us, we didn't stay here for very long. Over a period of a few weeks, we experienced the calmest weather. However, we had to motor everywhere. Hi, Lloyd! Woo! There's a plane overhead. It's so noisy here right now. The boys found a cool way to hitch a ride. Kids will always find a way to entertain themselves.
Now Gruggles is doing it.
What?
Now Gruggles is doing it.
This is so nice. Oh, lovely. Oh,
I said go in the shade. That's hot.
Just got attacked by a jellyfish. I heard him screaming at the back there. He's got a bottle of vinegar at his side, smothering his whole body in it. I come out to this scream and then I said, what's going on? And then Michael's like, oh, I think it's a jellyfish. He couldn't speak. He was just screaming. How's it now, Lige?
insanely pain. It's burning now.
Hey, what's the video?
Watch it, it'll slide down.
All over.
Are there box jellyfishes here then?
We have just arrived at Isaac Bay, and I'm asking my son Isaac, what does he feel about having a bay named after him, honey?
Well, it feels kind of good because I want recognition, and there's a bay named after me, Isaac Bay.
The Bahamas has been pretty much everything we imagined it would be. It's pretty unreal to choose your destination every day and wake to scenery like this. I'm grateful that I got to experience it in our own boat and on our own time. But as always, it's time to move on to the next destination.
Beautiful sunset. Isn't it? It's a beautiful sunset.
Well, we're listening to Midnight Oil. Love it. Back to grassroots, Aussie grassroots.